Today we are going to see in HTML5 a selector program. If I run it, then these are certain fruits, and if you select few of them or all and press this button, then you will get your favorite fruits are these. So this is how we are going to program or script today. And we are going to use first of all the section, which is very important aspect which has been added to HTML5, and a simple JavaScript code. So let's get started. First of all, I have to save this file because this is a file and I need to save it. Let me save it as, say, new2.html. I'm making it in Notepad++, so you can just save it like this. Just select HTML markup language and then you can name it as, say, select. Okay, now we are ready to script. First of all, you have to tell that this is a HTML file. For that you have to do doc type HTML. Then start with HTML. For that you have to use this tag HTML, and then there are two parts in HTML: heading, head and body. So what we will give in head is we'll give some style, also some styling. So let me just end this head. Head has always a tag has start and end also. To have Unicode compatibility, we have to use metacharsat is equal to UTF-8. Then title, you can give any title. I give it as selector example. Then styling type is text CSS like this, and I have to end this style also. We can make a separate CSS file and we can include it here, but because we are not going to use much styling, we embed it here itself. Then what we are going to do is we're going to make some table. This is a table. We have 2 rows and 3 columns. For that we have to give style for this TD, means table data. Then I'm hovering also, means moving it my mouse on these images. For that hover also, and there are certain divisions which are being made for these 3. Let's make it for TD, that means table data. Table data, border style is solid and border width is, say, 2 pixels I give. And then for hovering, let's give some background color, change it to some green or whichever color you want. And then for the division, let's just add padding, nothing more we're going to add. So division padding is equal to 10 pixels. Now heading, I have to end it also. So now head portion is done. Let's come to the body section. So body tag and followed by the end of the body tag, and I have to end the HTML also, so I'll do it like this. After our head, because head is already done, so I don't require it now. Body and HTML. So what basic content is we have to write inside body. This is very important. Head is for heading and this body is for actual content. Let's start with the table, but before that, what important thing which I want to introduce is our section. What is this? This is a new tag in HTML5, section, and I have to end this section also. Let me write it here, section ending. Now section is done. Okay, now coming to the table, we have to make a table. Let's make a table. We make it via this tag, table tag, and I have to end also table tag, and let me finish it also, table tag, Okay, table tag is also finished. Now in this table we have table row. This is a row. This is the second row. We have to make 2 rows. So let me make a row. I have to make a row, and I have to end the row also, and I have to make 2. So I copy it and paste it again. Now our row is also made. Okay, these are the check boxes. These are the check boxes with images on it. So we have input type is equal to checkbox, image source also, and width and height. So let me give a table data, first table data like this, and I'll explain it. First table data is this. So we have input type is equal to checkbox, name is equal to some name, you can give it any name, source is apple.jpg. we have apple.jpg lying here. See, we have apple.jpg, this is the image lying here, and then width, height as per your choice, and this is the end of the first table data. So we have 3 table data, see, like this. We have 3, so I go to 3. First is apple, second is our banana, third is our grape. So let me do it for all 3. Similar, there is no change, apple, banana and grape. And for the second table row, again I have to copy it down, and I'll make it for papaya, pineapple and pomegranate. This is also done. Now I have to code something for this button, but this button, the code for this will contain a JavaScript. If I press it, if I click it, I have to get some result. Let me make this button first. Button type and ID, and what we have to write in this button, this I have to give also. Okay, so this after table we are going to give this button type is equal to button, and then ID is equal to echo button, autofocus, select this is the content which is going to be shown on this button, and then button end. And now start with a division. Div ID, give any ID to the division, say echo division, and then script. Main thing is this script. There are 2 things which are important in this program. One thing is section, which is new in HTML5, and the second thing is the script. Okay, this is the script. And what I'm going to do is, when I click on any of this, first check and then button press, all those selection has to be shown in the form of list. I will copy the code and then I'll explain it inside this script. So this is the code, document.getElementID echo button. This is the echo button. On this click, a function has to be called. A function is that query selector all. This is the function which is important, which we are going to use. Star.check, star colon check, that means all checked has to be shown. Where? In this result, in the form of unordered list, and this is the li list. So the result will be shown in the form of list, and where it will be embedded inside the HTML. Okay, this is how the program goes. So hope you might have understood what we have written just now, and I will just save it, and I'll try to execute it. But before executing, I have to tell you that you can execute it any browser you want. I can run it on, say, IE or Chrome. Let me run it on Chrome. So this is our result. I just check it and say apple, banana. One more. This is also come, and I select all. This is a list which is there, and this is the code we have just written and explained. So this was all about selection and section of HTML5. Thank you so much. Take care.